guys, it's Melania from Critter Kids. Welcome back. Today I got wavy hair, but today we're also making chicken teriyaki. And that is a Japanese cuisine, is super delicious and so easy to make. So, the ingredients you'll need are chicken thighs, some onions sliced, cornstarch, and I'll tell you if we need this. Cornstarch with some water, sugar, garlic, 4 cups of broccoli florets, which we'll steam later, soy sauce, sake, white wine, sesame oil, and cooking oil. So, let's get started. First, I put the cooking oil enough to cover the large pan over medium heat. Then I stir fry the chicken, stirring occasionally until lightly browned and crisp. Then, to make the teriyaki sauce, in a small bowl, I whisk together a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of the white wine, and 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil. And if you need to, you can add 3 tablespoons of the sugar, but I did not need to. Also, you guys are probably being neater than I am right now. LOL. In the center of my pan with my chicken, I will now add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and mix it in until lightly fragranted. I will now add in the teriyaki sauce and mix it in until it is thick and a beautiful shiny glaze. Since my sauce isn't thick enough, I will now add in my cornstarch water mixture and stir it in until the sauce is thick enough. Now that the chicken is done, I'm going to go over to steaming my 4 cups of broccoli florets. Now that the broccoli is done, I will drain it and add it to the chicken. Now I will add my onion to the pan and mix it in. Now that everything is done, I will serve my dish over my homemade rice. Chicken teriyaki accompanied by white rice and broccoli and onion. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what team recommendation you guys think I should do next. Thanks for watching. Bye!